So today what I'm going to be doing is a sound test from underwater from resin versus wood. Two different rodents made by me, and I just want to see what is the difference in comparison with what the bass is hearing underwater. So let's check it out. Enjoy the video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, do all that good stuff what all those other people do. So let's get to the video. See ya. From resin versus wood. As you can see, from the resin rodent to the wood rodent, there's not that much difference in the knocking, but you can hear the subtle difference from the resin to the wood and the reckless rodent. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and always